This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by matching the image to your display. Confirm the monitor's native resolution and aspect ratio so you avoid stretching. Once done, open the photo in an editor and crop to the same dimensions or a multiple. Make sure to save a high-quality copy and retain the original. You're doing this now to prevent blurry results later. Finally, note file format. PNG or 90% plus JPG preserves detail. Smaller web images often look soft on desktop backgrounds. Next, navigate straight to your OS background controls and upload the prepared image. You'll decide between fill, fit, stretch, tile, center, or span. Choose fill for full coverage without borders on same aspect images, or fit for letterboxed integrity. Make sure you check display scaling and orientation because 125% or portrait mode changes how the image maps. Once you pick a mode, preview full screen and switch modes to compare until edges and focal point look natural. To finish, fine-tune by cropping or nudging the focal point so key elements aren't cut off on taskbars or icons. You should test with icons visible and check multiple virtual desktops. If the background looks blurry, don't panic. Return to your original, resize precisely to native pixels and re-export at high quality, or choose a larger source image. For multi-monitor setups, either assign images per monitor or create one wide canvas that matches combined resolution to avoid mismatched seams.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.